So what you can do is that if you have maintained in Excel, that's okay. In case you don't have Excel, you can also attach everything in the Word document. I believe that BRD you might have maintained in the Word document only. I'm just asking you.
No, we
Excel
keep
sheet,
it
sir.
in Excel, sir. Actually, it has on one Excel sheet there are one file there is a separate too many sheets. So I have to delete everything and only keep one BRD sheet. Then I can attach it.
Yes, we'll do that, sir.
Okay,
No,
but you all know the format of BRD. I think I might have shared with you all.
Yes, sir, you shared the format
And
of
it was Word document.
Yes, yeah.
Okay,
You-
great then. If you know already. And
Jaya,
still
you want
can-
to share on the screen the BRD document? Maybe you don't want to attach it, but you want to share it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So show it. Yeah.
Mm.
Right click and say open
Okay.
if you can. Can you little bit maximize it because it is not readable to me? Yeah, no, it is. Okay. Mhm. Okay, scope about the course. Yeah, you can in fact upload this document. That will be really useful.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying, because these are
Okay.
different sheets, like workshop user story. So I'll delete everything and then only keep this sheet. Then I'll upload it.
Okay. So do you think these other sheets are unnecessary?
No, I was just making one, like whatever I'm doing for with Gurukul school thing. So I just making everything in one file.
So if it is for self reference, that's okay. That's fine. And in case it is unnecessary, you can delete it. In case it is just for self reference, still you can upload that document. So that's
Okay.
not a big.
Yeah, it's a self-reference. Yeah, then I can upload it. Right, I'll upload it.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me do it right away then.
Because initially we just took the requirements, sir. We
Yeah,
didn't
I
allocate
understand.
to different members. So again, we changed it to the high priority, medium priority, and low priority. That is why
Yeah.
she's trying to tell.
Yeah.
So she has 3 sheets. Yeah.
Yeah. So it will give me the visibility how you had approached
Yes.
and how you have
Yes, sir.
reached. So
Yeah.
that will be.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it
Okay.
like create?
Okay.
So now what you can do is that wait a second.
Okay.
Because it is directly coming to me now for the review, right?
Right.
Just
Yes.
go to
Yes, sir.
assignee. Just go to assignee.
Okay.
Yeah, assignee. Yeah, automatic is there.
Mhm.
So there, just click there and see if you can assign this to me.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
And now you can decide the priority. Label is your choice. If you want, you can.
No,
You
like
can do your name. Yeah. Mm.
date. Shall we put the today's date or no?
No, not necessary because this is not mandatory. No, at least just make sure that mandatory fields are done.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can mark it as create. Now you can just click on create. And in fact, for others, if you want to refer them, what you can do is that go up into the description. Go up. Yeah. Wait. Into description, I said.
Okay.
Yeah, come inside and just click there inside and hit the enter. Yeah, so now you can say @ and you can tag everyone. So if
Okay.
other team member wants to refer to it, they have available it along with them. So everyone
Yes,
can
sir.
come inside it. Huh?
Shiva Shakti
So it should come as a drop down. If you're typing,
Yes.
it should by now it should have come as a drop down so that you could have selected. Just
Right.
retry it.
You were getting the options, Jay.
Mm.
So restart @ Yeah,
Oh.
Yeah,
There you're getting.
like that. Mm.
likewise. Keep
Like
doing.
Needed @ Manu @
And how it will be useful? Those people who are not attending,
Mhm.
so they will also get to refer this.
SH. Mm,
S.
SH. No, S and then H initial. Yeah.
Shakti and Shruti also, right?
Yeah.
HR SRU
Or yeah.
Shruti. 3, 4, 5. Any other person left?
Yourself.
No.
Oh,
And it is good. So sometimes what
Yeah.
happens in Jira, when
Mm.
you don't tag yourself, what happens? It creates the ticket, but you don't know what is the number of ticket, what are the details inside. But when you tag your own self, you
Uh-huh.
get its email and you have all the visibility what you have done of the work.
Done. Mm.
So that you can utilize.
Okay.
Yeah. Now click on the create and you are done.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So now you can click on the view issue. Click on the view issue. Now that you
Okay.
have the thing, go back and click on the link issue. Can you see the link issue at the top? Not there.
Link.
Mm.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
So now you can do instead of choosing is blocked by, you can say is related to, or can you see related to below?
Related.
Relates to.
Yeah.
Please click on that, and then add all the linked items, all the user story to it. So every user story will be the child of it. You can do that. One by one, you can select
All of them?
all of them because all the user
Because
story is the
all
part
are
of the
issues.
BRD, right?
Okay.
Mm.
So marketing tool again.
And it had the option. Just again, you will have to click the plus button, plus up. Can you see above plus icon is
Above.
there?
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So again,
And
are you able to learn something new here? Or
Yes.
it
Yes,
is
sir.
boring?
Yes, yes.
Okay, wait. Okay. So again do plus and select one ticket, but wait before you
Okay.
mark it as link.
Okay.
Okay. So take one which you have not taken yet.
Control.
Executive summary.
Yeah, take
Yeah.
that.
Mm-hmm.
And wait. Again type this GSPB. Start typing GSPB.
GS.
Yeah,
Oh,
now you have the
okay.
other list. So one by one, you can continue to select all multiple all at
Okay.
once and then click on the link.
Okay. GSP. Message. GSP. Create GSP. 11. Create GSP. Job placement.
So are there any such user story where you have made some diagram or some models?
No.
No, sir.
No.
I have
So-
attached some
The
documents. Yeah.
image. Yeah.
Image.
Okay, so I would like to see them as well. So
Yeah.
first complete this, then we'll go there.
And also I added Guru School link on the task. I don't know, bar.
Okay, I'll see then what you have done.
Nothing's done. So now I have to link, right?
Yeah, click on the link button.
Okay.
So now it is assigned to me and I'll just have a view on it. And once I'm done, I'll just inform you guys into the chat window. Then you can move it to done.
Yes, sir. Got it.
And what, yeah. So now show me those user story which have the
Images, link.
Yeah,
Mm.
images, models, and link.
So I can close this screen.
Yeah, you can close this.
Okay. This one. This is made by Swati.
Okay, just open it and show me. Create and note reason why one should go to Guru School for IT training. Okay. Okay, so this is one image you have attached. Any other models you have created like flowchart or we have learned about UML diagram. means activity diagram,
Yes, sir.
you talking about the flow and all. So have you created in any of the user story?
No, sir, we
No,
didn't know that
no.
we could able to do that. So
No,
we can
so that
create.
was already mentioned when I was asking you to create the BRD. The first thing I asked you, create the BRD document, and uh, there you are going to use all the model sequence and flowchart. You will add that and convert a entire document into user story, different user story, and in each
Okay.
every user story you need to also attach the diagram or document. So diagram you could just save it as image and then you can upload it, right? So that you can do. So in case something is pending, such, because as a business analyst you should be doing this activity mandatorily.
Yes, sir.
So if you have not done it, so in those user story, wherever it is on your name and you think you are talking about certain flows, certain action item, so just think of it start item and finish item of particular that section of that user story, and showcase into the diagram and just upload that diagram. Can you do that? You can create
Yes, sir.
that
Sure.
diagram
Yes, sir.
into
Yes.
any tool.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure,
So
sir.
do that and assign those user story to me again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll review them, and based on my comment, you can just take it into done. So the delivery is not yet completed, as you had given me the date of 16th or 17th,
16.
whatever. So
Mm.
today we are just reviewing it. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
when I would have marked or said yes to everything, then
Mm.
it would have gone to done, and you could have celebrated as delivery is done.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are giving a commitment to the client that
Mm.
okay, this is going to be delivery date, make sure the client has already given yes to you. It means that before delivery date, review has to happen. So if
Mm.
16th was the date, then you would have come up with the review date that could have
Yes.
become 10th or 14th or 15th, whatever the
Okay.
buffer you want to keep between the sprint review meeting as well as the deployment date. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So
Right.
this happens in the real time that I'm sharing with you. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So anything else you want to share or show or discuss?
Sir, I have a question. You
Mhm.
told me that the flow chart or those models can be added to your user stories. Is it it has to be done for everything, or it's your choice as a business analyst
Yeah, so
just
as
to
a
make it
business
crisp?
analyst,
Yes.
you want to convey something, right? You
Mm-hmm.
say, for example, it is not mandatory if something is visible. Say, for example,
Yes.
you want to say that as a customer
Mm.
comes and he has to go from inquiry has been done. He has already connected with one HR, and now
Mm.
HR is asking this person to make the payment, say for example,
Yeah.
or he has to deposit the amount. So
Yes,
what
sir.
is the flow? So email goes in, email response comes in, so
Yeah.
everything as a block you can showcase, the communication
Yeah.
flow you can showcase in the diagram.
Yes.
So
Yes.
not
Got
for
it,
the
sir.
everything, but you can break down the smaller communication flow
Yeah.
into smaller diagram, and you can upload that.
Yes, sir. If that has so many information to share, and if you want it to be visible, and if you want it to be a little more clear, and every step should be included in these kinds of models. Yes, sir.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, got it. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So
Right.
anything
We'll do that,
else?
sir.
Yeah, sure.
That will be all as
And
of
you
now
can
for
take
me.
individual responsibility. One person is
Yes,
taking
yes.
care of two user story, another is two. Likewise,
Yeah,
you can do that. Yeah.
we can use
Uh,
different models. Yes, sir. Got it.
yes. And in fact, the creator of user story can take the responsibility of that user story in case that
Yeah.
sounds relevant to you. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Got it. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. We'll do that.
Anything else?
So this is all what we will be doing as a business analyst, or
Exactly.
okay, more or
So
less this.
as a business analyst, what you are doing right now, that you are showcasing me how you are creating this thing,
Require.
create a requirement document, and
Mm,
you are placing into Jira everything you are
mm,
demonstrating. But in
yes,
reality,
sir.
what you will do, You are
Mm.
by now, once you get placed, you are well aware of the Jira, how Jira works. So you don't have to
Yes.
demonstrate on Jira. What you will demonstrate then? You will demonstrate how your
The
team
mod.
has developed the software. Say,
Okay.
for
Okay.
example, your team
Mm.
has developed a software that is called as Facebook. Okay.
Mm.
So
Mm.
as a business analyst, you will share how Facebook function. So you can create a post, you can upload a video, you can create reel. So these all functionality my team has developed, known as facebook.com. Just I gave the example. So you will demonstrate the entire Facebook functionality to your client. Say, for example, if they would have developed Twitter, you will demonstrate Twitter. If they would have developed Gmail, you will give the example how Gmail functions.
Yes, sir.
Making some sense to you?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And this is how means against every user story you will show every functionality. Say, for example, you have multiple user story for Gmail, so you will talk about so how to view the email. Then you will talk about there is one user story related to inbox. So this is the user story. I'll demonstrate you the functionality now. So you have to just log into email, click on the inbox, and then pick the particular email, just click on again that, and you are able to view that. This is one. Now again for the compose. So one user story is related to compose. I'll show you how to create the create compose user story. Then you go to Gmail and demonstrate to client. Here is the right now button, or compose button is there. I am clicking on that, and then I put into from and subject, and then start writing, and composing is done, and I have choice to send. So this is how you can
Okay.
demonstrate. I hope this is making sense to you, and you are able to
Yeah.
visualize what happens. Yeah,
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
everybody.
Yes,
This
sir.
just,
Oh,
sir, I have two more questions. Sorry about
yeah,
it. I'll
yeah.
be
Go
very
ahead.
quick. Sir, this is what we discussed is one sprint, right? Up to my knowledge. So what we are doing is one full sprint. Once we are done with this one sprint, what happens next? Like, should I have to create another project, or how the next
No.
sprint will be added?
So project will be only one, Siva. So
Yes, sir.
project will be only one. And in this, we don't have multiple sprint. Okay. Say, for example, you would have chosen to create 2 sprint. Okay. One sprint where only review will happen. Second sprint where actual the delivery will happen, that you can choose for
Okay.
this particular project. However, in reality, you do the delivery. Say, for example, your customer asked you, you have to create facebook.com. Okay. And
Yeah.
that facebook.com has a multiple functionality. You can
Okay.
create a post, you can upload a video, you can go live, and you can do chatting. So say, for example, creating post and chatting, you are taking in sprint 1. In
Okay, sir.
sprint 2, you are taking going live and create reels. That is the sprint 2. In sprint 3, you can take anything else. Say, for example, you can take marketing, or
Yeah.
placing the ad. So these
Ads.
can be the further. So you can decide how many items you
Okay.
want to include in one sprint. Yeah, for a
Okay, sir.
larger project.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So say the full project is over, then when we are going to the new project, will that be added to the same page? And will this be deleted, or how will this be maintained? The posts, the past sprint reviews, and past sprint requirements and everything.
So how it comes, let me tell you.
Mm.
So if in case you are working parallelly in 2 projects, you will be able to see in Jira 2 projects for you. That's one.
Okay.
Number 2 is that the moment you are out of one project, there are chances you would be removed out of that project. Then
Okay.
in whatever the project you are right now and currently, you will be able to see that project only, not all the
Okay, sir.
projects. If you are
Okay, sir.
removed
Got it.
already from the
Yeah.
previous project.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Any
Thank
other
you very much.
question?
So the way
Yes.
we did the Trello, and we put like Jiffy animation in Trello, we can do it in Jira also. That is what you was asking for, right?
No.
No. It question was different. The question was different because you see here GSPB 13G5 board is name of the project.
Mhm.
I guess.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
It is
Yes,
also known as Guru Schools Placement
Placement.
Right.
B13G5.
Batch 13.
So
Yes, sir. Group
say
5.
for example, if you are also part of one project where you are assisting as a Scrum Master to
Mhm.
GSP B13G3, say
Mhm.
for example, this is the another group name, another
Mhm.
project name. So she has done the work over there, she has helped them, and she has come out of that. So before coming out of that, she will be able to see both the project under the project menu. Right now you are seeing in the project menu only one project, right? You
Right.
see at the
Yeah.
topmost bar where Jira is written, where your work is
So
written, and then
many.
Yes.
project is written. Can you
Right.
go to the project arrow? Can you click on the project arrow? Yeah. So here you see there are two projects.
Yes.
One with Jaya Sharma, someone would have tried creating. Okay.
Right.
That was the name of the project. You can see all the project where you are still connected with. The moment I will click remove Shiva Shakti from Jaya Sharma, Shiva Shakti will not be able to see Jaya Sharma.
See any
She
of the
will be,
changes.
yeah,
Okay.
Yes,
she
sir.
will be
Okay.
able to see only one project. So
Oh,
this is
Okay.
what it is she is asking.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Any further question? Any other?
Yes, I wanted to ask, like, let's say when it goes into progress, like it says logo. So do we have to put up the logo when you're putting it in progress,
Yeah. So in
right?
progress, yeah. In
Okay.
progress, you are going to put, and when you are talking about in the user story, some logo, so you will give the user or worker what logo you are talking about. So that you
Right.
can attach. That you
Okay.
can attach into the user story.
Progress.
Okay, so when I, let's say this is over here, it says create and note reasons why one should go to Guru School. So whatever the free training we enroll, free IT training, all that also will come into the progress in the description, correct? And the user story.
No, I didn't get that. Come again. That's what was your question?
Let's say this was a to-do list and I have attached a document with this
Mhm.
in the to-do list.
Okay.
Now when I go into progress, whatever is on this attachment, what is written, let's say it says free IT training,
Mhm.
free certification, so all those things would come into description. I'll have to type that into description and put it into progress.
Yeah. So understand.
Yeah.
Your particular ticket, every ticket will have all the information initially. The
Okay.
moment it comes into to do,
Mhm.
as much as data or information you want to put into ticket, that you will put inside.
Okay.
Now, say for example, for development purpose, I'm talking about, for the real-time project I'm talking about. You have put all the information and to do. Now, this will be moved into progress when the action item will start. Say for example, here you have, so in reality, I keep on telling that at the end, tickets will become the action item. It is not just a theory. Okay. So here you have written create and note reasons why one should go to Guru Schools for IT training. It means that
Yeah.
this is the task you are assigning to someone to create the reasons. Okay. And input you have already provided. Input could be what? Input could be you need a job. Input could be you need training. Input could be it is free. It is refundable. Input could be you will also get a job. 4 items. The person has to list down. And these 4 lists he will only add once he will be assigned to that. So initially in
Okay.
to do, these things are not developed. These 4 lists which I have talked about. So
Okay.
you will assign to, say for example, Niru. So what you will do, you will assign it to Niru. Now Niru will then start working on it, and she started working on adding first point. She will move into in progress. The moment
Okay.
Niru has done it and she has demonstrated it, she will move into done. Okay. Here
Okay.
one more column will be of what? Testing. So in testing, the person who has reported the ticket, that has to validate and re-verify against what was the input.
Mm-hmm.
Making sense? Are you
Yes,
able to
sir.
understand?
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
in to do, all the input will go in progress. All the action item you're doing, you will start doing. Then testing comes where the verification happens, and then done means testing has passed. Got it?
Yes. So here we'll
Yes, sir.
assign it to everybody.
In the
Or
team.
Yeah.
yeah.
We'll
Okay.
move
Yeah.
this testing. We can move this here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Mhm.
So this is
So,
how you
sir,
can.
as a business analyst, we don't know the technical terms and everything, right, sir? So the development team members will add all those
Yeah.
things, right?
So as
Generally.
a business analyst, what you will do, say for example, Shiva, you are asking to in one user story, you will ask that create one user story that you have created. As a user, I should be able to create a post and publish it my social media so that my friend can see this. Okay,
Yes.
they can see that. Now you have assigned this to one developer, and developer is, say for example, Jaya. Okay,
Yeah.
so Jaya will further start working on it. Then she will start writing code XYZ being developed, and she will add more information about it. So you are not aware what is code XYZ.
Yes, sir.
Ultimately, you want to see that thing is developed or not.
Something is
So
happening regarding
yeah,
the project. Yes, sir.
yeah, so she will keep on adding her terminology, but eventually that ticket will move to testing team, where testing will see whether they can create the post or not. So here they verified and they marked it as passed. Now, after demo, it will be moved to done.
Okay, sir. Yeah. So
Demo to
everybody will work on that. The development team, testing team, the business
yes,
analyst, scrum master, project manager if needed, if required. Yes, sir.
yes,
Okay, I got it.
yes.
Yes, in real time. Yes, I got it.
However, in high level, on one user story, if business analyst is working and adding more data, say for example more UML model, design model, he's working, then user story will have the multiple tickets. Those will be called as tasks. One will go to coding task, for that will be assigned to developer. One will be A&D task that will remain with business analyst. A&D means analysis and design, and the user story and A&D ticket both will be assigned to this business analyst. Then testing task beside the user story, within the user story, that will be assigned to tester, and that's it. And
Yes,
in case somewhere architectural work is there, again from user story, one action item will be activity will be assigned to solution architect or something like that. This is how it
Okay,
is.
sir.
Like we
Okay,
created in under Epic, there are now multiple user story, right?
Yes, yes,
Likewise,
sir.
one user story may have the multiple tickets, multiple action items for every single person.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, able
Yeah.
to visualize, I believe, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Awesome. So what you can
Very
do, Swati, or
Yes.
whoever is that, if you want to share this recording for the purpose of reference, you can do that. Or if you don't want, you can definitely, amongst us, you can use it. Okay. So
Okay.
I mean to say, if you would like to share this with the BS Scrum larger group in the WhatsApp group, you can share that for others to refer, because this kind of review meeting, only you are the team who are doing it. And I was expecting from each team, and none of them have come up. So
Okay.
let this even information go for them. So that's the reason. Again, it's your choice, not mandatory. If you want to do it, you can do that. Otherwise, not necessary.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, surely we could. Yeah, we want to
Yes.
share. Yeah.
It will be helpful for
Awesome.
us.
Yeah, exactly.
Great then. So
Okay,
any
sir.
other question? If not, then we can conclude it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Thank
great job. I'm
Thank you,
very
sir.
happy the effort you have taken. I'm very happy the kind of things you have brought up over here. And I'm again very happy that you are going with more clarity. I believe
Yes,
that's
sir.
right.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, that
Okay.
is right. Thank you very much for your time,
Thank you.
sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
most
Yeah,
welcome.
especially to you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
thank you very much. I'm
Thank
looking
you.
forward for each one of you to get placed as soon as
Please,
possible.
yes.
For that,
Yeah.
don't miss any RRP session.
Yeah.
Chase your HRs, keep asking,
Yeah.
hey, what I need to do to get the call. And before you
Yeah.
get the call, you need to also be the part of mock interview, where your mock interview has to be done. Every single
Yes.
person, based on your
Yeah.
CV, mock interview will happen. Okay.
Sir,
Right.
one quick question. Sorry.
Yes, Swati.
I know it's not related to this. Like I have a LinkedIn profile and I have a lot of connections. So I was
Mhm.
just talking to actually Jaya and Shiva also on this, Niru on this,
Mhm.
that should I, but it's all related to catering.
Mhm.
And it is all related to a catering section of it. So
Mhm.
I should just, I mean,
No, so you don't have to worry about it. See, catering is also one of the domain, right? Hospitality domain. So you
yes,
can see that how, so now the things has come up to cloud kitchen. Are you aware of that?
Yes.
yes,
How through cloud kitchen, again, apps are used. So
Yes.
yes.
how you as a business analyst evolved into that, served into that. So that could be the added advantage. So only thing is that just look at what you have mentioned as a catering business, which is not indicating to your business analysis job. If you can rephrase that, again, your job will be the same, only you have rephrased some item.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. So
This is
that way you can tweak whatever you have mentioned in your LinkedIn profile. Don't worry about it. Only you have to just tweak it, little tweak and big result. Okay. So
yeah.
Okay.
just tweak it and you will see that things are just supporting to your current job of business analysis.
Okay, because right now I put myself as self-employed, so I might have to change that.
You can, instead of self-employed, you can also write there entrepreneur and slash business owner or business analyst. You can write. That doesn't harm. Entrepreneur, when you are entrepreneur, you takes all the responsibility on your shoulder. So
Okay.
entrepreneurs are accepted when it comes to industry, in IT industry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the mindset. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Cool. So
Okay,
I
thank you
think
so
that
much.
helps a lot. Yeah,
Yes.
you're
Yeah.
most
We'll
welcome.
do the
Thank
changes
you very
and
much,
I
sir.
will show it to you again.
Yeah, sure. So I'm ready for the another round of demonstration as well.
Yes.
So,
Right.
okay, cool.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
very
Okay,
much.
Thank you.
bye-bye.
Thank
Good
you
night,
Bye.
so
everyone.
much.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Have
you're
a
most
great day,
welcome.
sir.
Good night.
Bye.
Thank you. Say
Have a
bye.
great day. Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
Yay. Good job, you all.
1 second. I'm just going to stop recording.
Yeah.
Okay.